Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create this navigation bar using React Router DOM. Alright, so when you click on about, the about page will be rendered, or the about component will be rendered, and you can see there the active class are being applied. And this one is very simple, so stay tuned and let's get this done. So today we are going to create a React project, and today we are going to create a navigation menu, and let's use Byte to create our project. Let's name our project React Router, because you are going to use the router DOM, React Router DOM, right? And so it's React JavaScript, and let's cd to okay, npm so it has finished. So let's go to our, let's open our app. We're going to open that app, it's this one. Okay, and let's run it. Okay, now you can see it's a new project, there's nothing there. So I want us to come here and remove all this CSS, also here, and remove all those CSS, and also let's come to up, this one, and let's remove this one, right? Let's remove all of this, we're not going to use them, and all of this. Like so. Okay, so far so good. So I'm going to create a component here, a folder named component. Like so, and I'm going to add a file name navbar.jsx, like so, and let's create that navbar. Okay, it's very simple, it's not a complex function. And we are going to have nav for navbar, and we are going to have ul for listing our links, and we are going to have home page, then about, and lastly let's have the last link, which we are going to use contact, like so. So when you open our, let's see what's wrong. Okay, we need to export this, export as default, and let's say navbar. We need to import it. Let's go to here and import nav, like so, and we can call it here, like so. It's that simple. So let's open now and see. Yeah, now you can see our list. Now let's style that. Okay, let's say nav. Let's pick a background color here, like so. All right, let me see. I want the one that we are going to use, like so. Let's select our list item first, this one, and we want to display the item in the list view, flex, and we are going to have a line item to center, and of course we need to use a height because of that. Let's say 50 pixel. All right, and let's have our list, and we want the cursor to be pointer. All right, and list style to be none, to remove the circle. All right, and let's put the color to be white, like so. And what else do we need to do here? We need to add a gap so that they are separated one time, and we also need to increase the font size to 1.4 like so. So let's see how that looks like. Yeah, so you can see, like so. So let's add hover effect. Right, let's come here. Let's add hover effect, and I'm going to do this, and let's see that one is okay. Yeah, you can see it's working. All right, so that one is okay. Now we need to know when you click here, I want to access that component. All right, and before that we need to add the component. Right, let's come to our component here and create home.j, like so. We also need about page, and also need like so. So let's come here and write that function. let's just return which one, say let's just say home, like so. Let's export like so. Let me copy this and I want to paste there, and I want to change this to about, like so, and contact, and also want to change this to contact. All right, so we have our components, our 3 components there. All right, and let's import them on our app here, .jx. Like so. About and home, not home but contact, like so. So now we can access them in our this function in our app. All right, but before that, let's go to our this one, nav, and before we do anything else, we need to add the root. Okay, so I'm going to close that. Okay, we need to add the root. Let's say clear. Okay, so let's install our root. We just need to do npm install react router DOM. I think that's the correct thing. Let's see. Yeah, so now it's installing, and when it's done, you are going to see here React. Okay, this one, React router DOM. It has been installed. All right, so because it has been installed, you can close that JSON file, and I can come. You have to come here first. Okay, import browser router. Okay, like so, and I want it to use it here. Like so. All right, that's done. We can close that. Then we need to come here. Instead of writing this one, we are going to use nav link. All right, so we need to import the nav link. Okay, import the nav navlink from React DOM like so, and now I can use that here. I can simply come here and say navlink like so. All right, and I can put this like so. All right, and so here we need to put 2 there, and we need to give it a path name, and for this one, for the home, it's just going to have that slash backslash there, and I can copy this just paste there, and here I'm going to have about and contact like so. So I can say contact here and also about. Okay, like so. Then you need to come to your app.jx and let's import we are going to import root this one root and also roots like so, so that I can come here and write the roots like so, and inside the root we are going to have the root without an s, and we have a path. Okay, we have a path there, and it's going to go to home like so, and this path here, it has to be the same as the one in the nav here. All right, so if you put here like home like so, you need also to come to here and write home like so. All right, then it's going to have a component there, and let's put a small c there, and we are going to have a component which is home, our home component there like so, and we need to close that root like so. So I can copy this, and I can add 2 more, and this one is going to be our about, and this one is about the about component. This one is contact, and this one is contact component like so. All right, so let's see if everything is working. Let's refresh and see if there is still error. No. I need to start the application again. because I had closed it when I was installing this root. Alright, hope you understand. Okay, it's saying we are using wrong syntax for JSX. So let's see why. I think it's here in the contact. Okay, in our contact here you can see I've put JS. Okay, so let's rename it to JSX, like so. Alright, and I think that should solve our problem. Yeah, like so. So let's, when you click home, okay, there is nothing going on. Okay, so let me see what's wrong. Okay, it's changing. You can see here it's changing correctly. Contact, about, home. So let me see if I put element instead of so you can't use the component. Let's use element, and all these things are in the React router documentation. All right, like so. And now you can see home, about, contact. So let's remove these underlines here. Okay, and can come to up, and let's first add the styling for our H1. Let's put a margin top of, let's say 80 pixel. Okay, and font size, all right, and text align center, like so. And also I want to remove this, like so. I also want to remove these underlines, and these underlines, if I inspect my element here, in my nav, you can see there is an A tag here. Okay, so the nav link has added the A link. Okay, the A tag there. So I need to remove these underlines there by styling these A links. So I can come here like so and say, I think text decoration to none. I think that one will remove that. Yeah, you can see now it has removed. Okay, now what I want you to see next is, you can see these, all these, they have class, okay, and this one is class active. So when you come to when you Google React DOM like so, and let me just show you. When you use the nav link, it's here. There it says in their documentation, a nav link is a special kind of link that knows whether or not it is active or pending. This is useful when building a navigation menu such as breadcrumb or a set of tabs where you'd like to show which of them is currently selected. Okay, so this one is very simple because the nav link will add an active class whenever you click on that link. So as you can see, I've opened this. So right now you can see the contact is the one that is selected, as you can see here. Okay, contact is selected. Okay, so when I switch to home, see, you can see the active class has been added automatically. All right, that's why that nav link is very useful there. It has been added. When you come to about, the class has been added and it has been removed from home. You can see like so. So it's very simple. What I can just do, I can take this active class here and style it. All right, so let me just come here, say dot active and style it. Let's say padding of 10 pixel and border radius of, let's say 10 pixel still, and background color, I want to pick this one, and I just want to add here, let me do no, not this one. Let me, sorry, I need to change this one to, yeah, to like this, so that I can change the percentage. Like so. So I just want to change this percentage to, let me say 40. Yeah, let's see if that's okay. Yeah, like so. You can, yeah. So when I click home, you can see it has been selected and home is there. The component has been rendered. About same. Okay, you can see, and as you can see, our page is not refreshing. All right, our page is not refreshing. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.